After weeks of refusing to honor the term-sharing deal, Taguig Representative Alan Peter Cayetano finally waved the white flag. The new Speaker, Lord Alan Velasco, and the new majority bloc have trooped to Batasan.
This morning, may acts of violence na po. Sinira ang mga pinto sa Kongreso. Sinabihan ko ang SecGen, ayokong may masaktan. Pabayaan mo sila kung gusto nila mag-take over. Let them use the hall. Walang masasaktan, pakiusap lang, social distancing, namatayan na tayo ng mga congressman dahil sa COVID, ayoko pong maulit ito. No? Kahit po kayo'y katunggali ko, ayokong magka-COVID kayo.
Realizing his former allies have deserted him, Cayetano announced his resignation.
But right now, verbally, I am tendering my irrevocable resignation as the Speaker of the House of the Republic of the Philippines. So ang pakiusap ko sa mga kasama ko, 3 o'clock ang notice ng session. At 3 o'clock, elect your new speaker and pass the budget.
He apologized to President Duterte.
So Mr. President, if I made a mistake, mali ang reading ko, misunderstood ko na gusto mong ituloy at tapusin ko ang budget, ako'y humihingi ng paumanhin. Hindi ko intention, never, na hindi ka sundin.
Cayetano, however, refused to give legitimacy to Velasco's election. Cayetano was at his Taguig home while Velasco was taking over his seat.
Tayo, we're irrelevant, napapalitan tayo. Pero yung institusyon nandyan. Congress is not only an institution, it's a symbol. So pag binaboy natin ang Kongreso, binaboy din po natin ang ating bansa. Kung bababuyin po natin ang flag, bababuyin din po natin ang buong Pilipinas.
Cayetano concluded his video by stressing he will continue to serve.
Please start calling me Alan again. If you call me Secretary, Senador, Alan, naiiba-iba pa, nalilito pa kayo. Alan o Kuya Alan, and I'll always be here with you.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.